This home is elegance redefined. Renovated top to bottom, this is like a brand new home. It has a great open floor plan, cathedral ceilings, and this new addition. Now this is a kitchen for a true chef. Wolf and Sub-Zero appliances, 2 sinks, and an island that opens to everything. It's 4 spacious levels, and everything is pristine. Celebrate friends, woo! Both inside and out. It's cul-de-sac living in the heart of McLean. Do you want a home that feels like new construction and fast results? Your next chapter's waiting.